Hello friends, welcome to Power Electronics. Today we will discuss the class D commutation, which is also known as impulse commutation or voltage commutation. As you can see in the figure A, Vs is the supply voltage, here C is the capacitor which is already charged, Vt1 is the main thyristor, and Ta is an auxiliary thyristor, D is a diode, L is inductor, and this is load. As I have already discussed that capacitor is initially charged with the voltage Vs as a supply voltage. So both potential are same and the charging current has no path to discharge. As soon as we triggered the gate 1, that is at instant t equal to 0, T1 thyristor is on. Now this charging current gets a path to travel through the thyristor T1 and to this inductor L and diode D to the capacitor C. So it get a path to travel here. You can see it rises here to the maximum value. But what happened? It rises very slowly. Why? Because of the inductor. This inductor has a property that it does not allow sudden change in the current. So what happened to this inductor? It rises slowly. At the same time you can see the current through the thighs. So one current is flowing through this and through the load current, passing through the load and to the return path. So it is the I naught, that is load current, and IP the peak value. Both are passing here. If you look at the condition of the capacitor, this capacitor was initially charged and going to discharge to the value of 0. As the charging current flows through circuit T1, inductor L, diode, and then to capacitor, it discharges here. Also the Vt1 is short, so we can see there is no voltage across it. So here after a particular point of time, this polarity reverses. After the capacitor gets fully discharged, that is 0, it changes its polarity to plus minus. So this capacitor changes its polarity. Now what happens to this? All the parameters, the charging current only falls and reaches to 0, and the thyristor currents here reaches at that point, and now only the load current is left out. Here only the load current passes through IT1 because the charging